Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to place a trade on TradingView mobile app. Now, in order to place a trade on TradingView, the first thing we must do is actually find something to buy, and for this video, I'll be showing you how to trade it. So, you can go to the search bar in the top right corner and you can search whatever you want to buy. So after you search it, you can click on this. From there, you can click this full screen button in the bottom right corner and it now opens up the chart. So in order to place a trade, we can go to the bottom right corner and click these three dots and it will open up this more menu and we can look for this option which says connect broker. Now from there we can choose a broker which we want to trade with, and you basically need to find one which you have an account with, and from there you can then select it and then you can sign into your account. From there you will now be able to see these buttons. So if I wanted to buy in a video, I can click this blue button. So if you want to buy, you can click this blue button, and as you can see, you can now choose to buy the stock. So I'm going to choose to market, buy it, and I'm just going to buy one share. From there, you can add a take profit or a stop loss if you want. However, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to buy one share. Now, as you can see, the market is currently closed, so the order was rejected. However, if the market was open, that would have gone through and it would have brought me one share of it, and I could have then sold it by clicking the red button and then choosing to sell one share for it. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.